what's up guys? So, panibagong vlog, panibagong pagkita na naman tayo. So, ngayon po ay tutor ngayon sina kasama siya, kaya kasama din po ako. Siyempre, ako yung nanay niya para bantayan ko siya. So, ingat sa amin guys. Kita-kits tayo kung saan yung guys, finally nandito na tayo sa Aguinaldo Shrine. Dito na tayo. Ito yung first stop na pupuntahan nila, Aguinaldo. Dito na tayo. Bawal doon ang food. Dito na tayo sa video. Video natin pagbaba. Na ano lang ng parada yung bus. Bago kami pumunta. Ayan guys, nandito tayo naglalakad tayo. Sinusundan natin yung dami mga bili. Kasi nabaon natin, ikaw konti lang. Mamaya na tayo. Hindi na nga. Susundan natin itong pili. Okay, bebe. Bebe. May nagzuzumba. Nandiyan kami papasok.
Kami din. Kasi nanay.
Hindi na pila. Guys, papasok na tayo sa loob. So yun guys. Mara! Mara!
Kung may mga tanong po sila, tanong lang po sa aming staff para ma-assist po kayo. Tapos kung nais pong bumalik, open po tayo sa publiko, Tuesday to Saturday, 9 to 4. Then sarado po tayo po Mondays. Pwede na din po ilike yung Facebook page namin, NHCP Museo ni Emilio Aguinaldo for updates, inquiries, and for booking your tours. So hanggang maaari po, again, pag nasa loob, manabibili po ang kaayusan, kalinisan at ikalimitan na maging ayos po ang tours. So first, next flash po natin po sa kaayusan.
Yes!
As free, really po.
Uy! Kita kayo na
Ano, bebe? Dinig pa din yung tugtog.
Oy, Reko, magkapit kayo. Si Ariel Cardino.
Meron niya yun.
Ibigay ko lang po ulit ang turn off lang po yung mga flash ng camera at cellphones. Yung mga food and drinks po natin, huwag na lang pong bubuksan habang nasa loob po tayo ng dambana. Yung mga sombrero po natin, hoods, caps, tatanggalin. Pagpasok sa loob, tatanggalin po natin dahil tayo ito, yan po ang hilingan po ni President Emilio Aguinaldo. Mamaya po, pagka nag-picture taking po tayo doon, iwasan lang po sana yung pagsampa po doon sa mismo po. Hands off po tayo sa mga gamit. Bawal po natin.
Talon! Doon sa tatalon. Ito! Yung constant iwas. Ano nakapasa?
Maganda po talaga pag sa right side po, after po ng bus number 6, no?
Bebe, tingnan niyo, Bebe.
Ang AP yan. Ang
Ba sa tabi ng lulo? Yan po yung mga kasaysayan ni Emily Aguinaldo. Dito kayo, dalawa. Dito naghimagsik ang hindi.
Pwede ba sa tunay ko?
Binigo. Binigo. Mas ka
Picture kayo?
May picture.
Ang katipunan sa Cavite. Wow. Laban sa binakayan.
Sorry.
Amaga. Kagaya ang espada na eh.
Yan yung mga ginagamit nilang espada.
Ang ganda sa
Oh, yan na. Yung espada nila.
yan dyan. Dapat pag nag-drawing may ganyan.
May saan ka ba, Teacher AP?
Oh.
Ngayon ay pag ano, tatanong mo sa kanila yung buka sa gwaso.
Ano yan? Bombshell. Kala ko still water. Tubig nga eh. Wala. Hindi po. Shelter. Para pag dito po.
Naka doon, Bebe. Wait lang. Bebe.
Yan na, yung original.
Amara? Ano to mga saya? Carvers. Wow, it's beautiful. Mga sandatang pandigma.
Pakita niya sandatang pandigma.
Ano kami sa Sega?
May ano, stay pa tayo nung nila.
Ito muna.
Dali, hindi ka mag-inom na. Bagay mo dito ito, ha?
Ang ganda na. Ceiling pa lang. Against the light. Yan ang mga kagamitan ng unang panahon. Ganda. Balik na ulit kami ng aming bus para sa next naman namin pupuntahan. So, update ko na lang ulit kayo later, guys, kung saan pang aming mga pupuntahan at kami mag-picture-picture mo.
Ano next natin?
Nakain ng almusal. Bebe, kumakain ka na. Kumain ka na. Yung upper ng kanin, kinakain niya na. Ito naman tayo sa Intramuros. So, ikot-ikot ulit tayo dito. Pila ng mga kids.
9:45 din dahil. Dito tayo babalik. Ha?
9:45 ang balik namin dito. 15 minutes lang kami magpipicture-picture guys. At punta na kami ng Fort Santiago. Ano? Amara! Uy! Antay nyo kami!
Maya, ano to si yung kasambahan?
Amara, dito kayo! Dalawa!
Malilibre ako dito.
So, guys, din eh.
Bakit pinsan pa? Kita mo nga dyan pagkakalaman. Sa'yo ka sabi sa bigan. Pila kayo. Pila. Yana, dito ka na lang sa labas.
So, yan guys. Ito ang Manila Cathedral. Wow, ang ganda. Mag-pray kayo. Ikot-ikot muna tayo dahil nakipagdasal na tayo. Ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa Manila Cathedral bago kami pumunta sa Fort Santiago. Napasok na natin ang Manila Cathedral. Babalik na tayo dun sa kung saan magkikita-kita. Kasi sa Fort Santiago naman kami pupunta guys, sa Fort Santiago. Dito lang kami. Babalik na kami sa aming pwesto at kami ba kami iwas pala. Daming foreigner dito. So guys.
Iiwanan na daw po ako kung saan.
Iwanan niyo nga yan, guys eh.
Lakad po na.
Ako nasa kayang dalawang bulkit.
Ice cream food. Bakit ka wala dito?
Nasa unanay.
10 lang. Ayun lang. Ha? Fort Santiago?
Santiago.
Ayan ang Fort Santiago.
Ako nalapit lang sa isa't isa.
Yan, mga Guardia Civil. Yan. Mga Guardia Civil. Hindi pala mamakalala ko. Kaya. Eh, di pala eh. Ayan ang mga Guardia Civil. Mahis kayo. Pizza kayo mo. Bakit sa katawan nyo? Hindi ka gagawin. Ayan, dito kayo sa 6. Uy. Aran 6.
Uy, Amagas, pasaan ka ba?
Oh, hindi ko nakikita ang dalawa.
Ayun na yun.
Tiray ka.
Nasa unahan niya.
Putik na 2 linggot na rin. Oo nga.
Oh, di na maganda ang gulo.
Maganda. Oda. Ang sigman nyo. Eh, magkapit kayo.
Amaga, ba't ba mo kumapit kay Bebe?
Then, Ibon.
Hey.
May tuloy pa naman rin. Sakit na ng paa ko.
Iray ko ang dalawa.
Sabihin ako na.
My God, anak mag-angel.
Warren. Ang galing ito. Maga, kapit kayo ni Bebe.
Dating yun ang unang SM.
Wala kasi yung...
Ruins of the American Barracks. Maganda na, ganyan pinapaliwanag. Ano natin naman ito? Maglaki ng bolo.
Magkano yung
Single set ka kaya nito, lalampas yun.
Madali, picture tayo dito. Picture.
Saan ulit kaya?
Ang layo pa pala, dun pa oh. Papasok pa do. Amaga, kapit kayo ni Bebe.
Ang mga panahon nito, pananakop ng Hapones sa Pilipinas.
Galing ng mga artist.
Pila kayo sa 6.
Churitsa.
Kuya, or mamatay ka mawin. Ganda kasi dito.
Amaga, Bebe, di na kayo sali.
Langoy ka lang kaya. Huwag ka kumarang lang kaya Chelsea. Hindi kayong dalawa talaga bibigyan.
Plaza de Armas.
Go, go, go.
Nakatakan ko sa kanya.
Huwag ka kalimutan ng number, ha?
Sexy ako na rin. Ang daming laki rin. Dala ko. Amaga, magkapit kayo ni Bebe. Amaga. Lupas. Ito na lang, may dala kong pampalit.
May girili.
Casa de Castellana.
Wala na girili. Wala na girili.
Uy, yari
Maga, kapit kayo ni Bebe, madilim.
Last nine, bilang ko one line. One line, last nine.
Napapasok kami dito.
Last nine ba yun?
Medyo chubby, kaya hindi mag-cash yan.
Nakita tayo nyo guys ng pira, masigip talaga.
Wait lang po, wait lang po.
Ganyan kasi
Dungeons of Forts.
the dungeon is
Dito, papasok po kami sa...
Dungeon.
Dungeons of
Oh my God. Hindi ata ko siya.
Kung hindi ko nakakasya dito. Yan na.
Dito kayong dalawa. Tingnan nyo to.
May picture eh. Ay nako, kuya, nasa taas may sinusundo pa. Galing ano.
Lakad kayo, kapit. Kapit kayong dalawa. Nakita ko yung kayo, kapit. Ay, pukay ko. Dito umaga sa tabi.
Bebe!
Umaga din na sala.
Matapos na ba? Tapos?
Sala po ang daan.
we are more like a Catholic.
Saan na sinakilip? Mga bebe. Pagkuhan ko yung tour guide nyo, kaya pasensya na. Ano kayo?
Nakatayo pang sa mga Pilipino.
Init.
Tanungin ko kayo dito, ha?
Libreng answers! Yay!
Lunes. Alam ko kung sagot 5. Na Lunes, ha?
Ma'am, binibidyo ako.
O yan. Ang mga, nakagapos. Makatalikala.
Oh my. Tubig.
Kapits pa siya.
Tara, paano tayo dyan?
Pukay doon din sa kwan. Pukay doon. Pipicture kayo.
Ay, kasi yung ay, kulang!
Dapat nag-aircon pala.
Aircon pala dati.
Kahit mga 1 week away. Para na nakapag-burn muna.
Yeah, may ads.
Oh, wag hawakan na.
Picture tayo kanina sa pala sa
Hindi nakapit.
Kaya ko yung gawin.
Next one is the Lourdes Catholic that we have here, but this one now is Lourdes. This one is the palace. So we don't need to have the shop. And if you want to buy some antique things, you can have it on the shop. So it's not right now. It's still located inside the Intramuros, nearby the Department of the World and National Okay, next one will be this one. So we have one of this one here. This is the one.
Ay, kasi may sharing yan sa klase. Ganun naman lahat sa kasama. Ito naman tayo sa maliit na daan.
Pinicturean niya mga building.
Opo. Gusto ko naman ito. Mas papasagutan nyo sa inyo.
Ayan na nga.
Ay, paano yung iba?
Hindi kayo.
Paano yung ibang sumakit?
Ay, may gulay.
Here.
Umaga, wag mo na kayo lalabas. Pipicture ko kayo na bibidyon. Bibidyon ko. Leg.
Ay, slow. Yeah. Crocodile.
Si Lolong. Nuestra Señora de Garcia Church, Guadalupe, Makati. Escolta Saint Manila. Wala na, labas na kayo. Dili na. So dito naman ang punta namin. Amaga, bebe!
Asik po.
Amaga, bebe!
With authorization.
Dito po tayo tingnan.
Ay, bato na kami sa Museum of Bucharest. Bawal siya mag-video at mag-picture. So, hindi ko kayo ma-update sa loob nito, guys. Mga 1-9.
Money.
Limit ang El Filibusterismo. Slovenia. Balik na tayo sa bus at papunta naman tayo ng Luneta at doon tayo magla-lunch sa Luneta Park. So, dito na tayo, sasakay na tayo ng bus. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Pero laban at sayang ang bayad. Guys, magla-lunch na kami. Nandito na kami sa Luneta kasi dito na lang kami sa bus kakain. Hindi na kami lalabas. Nakapagod na maglakad. Hindi na kami bababa doon. Kasi saglit lang naman pagkakain mo, babalik ka na din. Kasi kailangan bago mag-1, makapunta na kami sa Manila Ocean Park para makaabot kami sa show. So, dito na lang kami kakain sa bus para hindi na kami mapagod. Dami na rin naman kami picture. Kaya dito. So guys, mamaya na lang ulit kakain muna kami. Aming mga bubong kasi wala tayong budget na pang resto, kaya bugong-bugong lang tayo guys. Tayo sa Manila Ocean Park. Oceanarium. Tayo ay papasok na sa entrance. So guys, yes guys. Change outfit na tayo, kami ay twin na kami mag-ina. So guys, date ko na lang kayo mamaya at magpipicture-picture muna kami. Papunta na tayo sa show na Sea Lion Show. Hindi, Sea Lion tayo. Sea Lion Show. Ang dami ng tao. Ay, Amaga! Ang ticket! Ang ticket! Nanay, ikaw magtabi ng ticket. Lagi, akin ang ticket! Akin ang ticket! Ama, bebe, akin ang ticket!
Dazzle is our super wrestler Kakatsu. Scientific name is Kakatuwa Galerita. Commonly habitat sa urban woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very awkward and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle's ability to find this hidden object? Well, if it yes, you say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find a hidden object for us. And she found it! A round of applause for Dazzle with trainer Vina. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be mates or partner for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest in a relationship, they will always be bottom. Meet Sassy and Rocky. Are beautiful pair of winning Macau, but today they will battle it out to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before I start this battle, I will divide you into two groups. So first we hear for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear it here. Sassy, Sassy,
Sassy, sassy.
and how about the boys? All the boys we hear for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear it here. Rocky, Rocky. Alright, so birds ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball. Followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie. And for the last one's gonna win it. Rocky wins. Trainer Rochelle, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold it. We won another race. Oh, she won another race, Trainer Birds.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm ring race. And what is the ring race? The first bird who can grab 3 rings into the pole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race. So the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's hear Sassy to win this time. And we will do this again. And this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here comes the round for the first ring. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy picking up the 3 rings at the same time.
Ang galing ni Sassy.
And the winner is
Sassy!
Trainer Birds. What can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he think she cheated? No, he didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Shell and Trainer Birds. Parrots in particular are intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So really Sassy once again. Sassy is going to show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back into the correct slot. Just like Sassy, bring focus from South America and the gentle giant of the parrot family. It is because they're the second largest next to the highest in focus. They can grow up to 92 centimeters and can give up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the river banks. And for the chase, come on, Sassy. And there you go, intelligent right? A round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Rochelle. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Because this next part of the program will leave people baffled and amazed. Do you think birds can do math? But before color mathematical wizard, I'll be needing two numbers between 1 to 50. So any numbers between 1 to 50? Okay, so first number is number 20. So about the second number? The second number is number 8. So the equation is 20 plus 8. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Johnny will shuffle the numbers.
Use when you know what's the chance it will snow when you bet and you end up in debt. Oh, try as you may, you just can't get away from.
Now let's call a hybrid mo of Rocky. Wow, Rocky, what a beautiful entrance. Trainer Johnny, is Rock ready? Come on, Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Beat all a song while you're singing along harmony.
And he gets the number 8. So 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Round of applause for Rocky with Trainer Johnny. So this time, I need an adult holder with 500 peso bill. Anyone here who wants to be a lucky holder for today? Just raise your hands and we'll choose one. Once again, I need an adult holder with 500 peso bill. Okay, I think you got one. You will notice that the birds of our show are mostly parrot. It's because they are intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musical in time. They have a very good memory and can remember even the smallest details. Hi sir, good afternoon. Welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Sir, what is your name?
Bernie.
How about a round of applause for our Dr. Mr. Bernie Canarani? And follow this way. Now sir, all you have to do is stand right here. And facing this way. And extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Now sir, do you have any idea what will happen next? Okay, let's see. Now let's call our money bird Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy just donated the money. A round of applause for our donors. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know your money will go along the way, and we're preparing to will now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. Anyone else? How about 1,000 pesos this time? No more? Sir Bernie, excuse me, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. No, sir, we're just kidding. It's all part of the show. Please come back here in front and we will give your money back. Sir, Buddy saying something. Before Buddy gives your money, Buddy wants to give you a kiss, okay? Now, all you do is stand right here, look at the camera and offer your cheek. Sweet, one more. And how about on your hand? Just open the palm, look at the camera and smile. And here is your money. Round of applause for our volunteer and Buddy. Now that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrot, we would like to introduce you another species of birds here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, and that feed by other animals. The term raptors came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their condition that allows them to detect prey during flight, and they also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our Brahminikai. Here comes Speed! Brahminikai is technically known as a monster eaters, one of the 446 fish birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including the Philippines. And here comes Shuttle. They locally known as Lawin or Bono in Visayas region. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate home ability, meaning to generate their its nest and mates. All of our round of applause for our raptors and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to take care of our friends in the sea, but also in the land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good now our viewers, and they're going to show us how to proper waste disposal. See, if our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope all of you enjoy our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from all exploitation and even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we'll got. Now, let me present to you the personal trainers who made this show possible. Trainer John with Rocky. Trainer Vina with Buddy. Trainer Michelle with Sassy. Trainer AJ with Speed. Trainer Johnny with Shadow. And once again, Trainer AJ, thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain on your seat because
to Aquarica. By the way, I'm Trainer Bert, and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side, the eldest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the smartest. Wow, confident. Her name is Yenny, together with trainer Vina. Say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexy Oh, go Prince Tiger. Her name is Sandra, together with trainer Johnny. Say hello!
Hello!
Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers pulling marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The third winning bed may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of what a round of applause for Sea Lion friends. And you know what, guys? They have these long and flexible necks. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for Sea Lion friends? As you can see, their bodies covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice mind. And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from prey in the water. And their small sternal ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight,
Ang sakit sa balat.
no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky cliffs with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Surely strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Yenny, the smartest. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Jenny and trainer Bina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to, ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet, abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? One leg salute. Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute. Now, this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring. Sea lion, friends. And they got it! How about a round of applause for Yenny and Sandra? Great job, ladies! Sweet.
Sweet.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Omalika with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lions, Yeti and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember what we do here on land, greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a harsh-built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet and thus, each one of us must
Pasok ulit kami. Tapos na yung bird show at sea life. Again 6, amaga, saan ba kayo nasunod? Ay siya. Ayaw titingnan ng kasunod. Yun na, pipicture tayo doon. Cellphone. Cellphone natin. Uy, pasaan ba kayong dalawa lagi? Ang dalawang ari. Yan, dito na tayo sa loob. Oh, tingnan nyo na, dini muna kayo titingin sa ano. Kanan ha, kanan muna.
Yeah, laki.
Sundan nyo yung pila. Ay, siya. Wala na ang pila. Hindi yan natin kasama. Baka yan. Kumapit ka. Bebe, dini kami. Saan ba ako? Dini mo tayo. Umaga, bebe. Ano ba yan, Nay?
bebe, tayo.
Din eh, maga, din eh. Starfish. Kabila. Ayan na yung isa. Hindi ko alam yun. Ito yun ako nandun kanina. Ano yan?
Angkor.
Anay?
Angkor.
Hindi yung isda, yung isda. Si Limo tsaka si ano. Ano yun? Naya na isda to.
Anchovies.
Ba't pabaliktad?
By utilizing interactive shots, educational materials installed within, before proceeding to the second level.
Mag-picture ba kayong dalawa?
Picture mo dyan. Dali.
Ganyan, ganyan kayo. Picture.
Rabbit feet. Dali, marami sila. Ihabol mo yung sila.
Malabo. Malabo. Yummy. Picture ka daw dyan.
Yan, dyan. Dumbe.
Nawala. Teka lang, nawala. Amara, Amara. Bebe din eh, kapit. Okay, Amara, laki oh. Mara, tamang cute, Mara. Picture po kayo, picture ko kayo. Awa. Isa pa. Mara. Diyan kaya na. Sarap na isigang ka. Kasagap na isigang. Bigben. Dali bigben. Laki ng page. Okay, sexy sila. Lagi o, laki. Pesa yan. Oh. Masarap yung pesa na eh. Lagi pa pala, oh. Stingray. Sarap lagi, gata. Lobo sa gata.
May, ayan o, lagay mo din yung kamay mo.
Taga lang mo. Taga na dito, Nay. Bebe, iyo ba to? Ayan. Yan ang shark. Ang laki. Ipaosok. Wala namang isda. Nay, picture kita, Nay. Antarctica. Ayan, merong ano. May mascot. Ang picture tayo dyan, dali. Picture kayo dyan, picture.
Ay, may photographer.
O, hindi. Pila din, pila. Sa mga souvenir. Kaya tayo walang ikot-ikot lang tayo dito. Tingin-tingin.
Ara, bebe. Ay, chain. Wala namang laga. Ang ganda mo mo ito. Wala. Ang presyo.
Bebe, doon may mga jellyfish. Doon kayo. Tayo ngayon ano to? Blue tree monitor lizard. Blue tree monitor lizard. And this snake. Ghost ball python. Ghost ball python.
Next time kung makita ako din.
Si Flying Gecko. Asa si Flying Gecko? Wala. Ayan na mga daw.
Pacman.
Si Pacman. naman, Frog. No flash dapat, no flash. Iguana again. Ano yun? Nandito wala. Buto-buto. Ito, ano to? Walang laman.
African bird tortoise. Wala din sila yung kasal.
Wala naman tortoise.
Nasa loob.
Ayaw nga, nasa loob malabo.
Labo lang.
Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Burmese python. Burmese python yun naman ka.
Nagkakamu-kamu.
Ball python.
Ano yan, ma? Python?
Maliit lang.
Ano, ma'am?
Oh my God.
Green tree.
Oh yan, bawal ano yung glass, oh. Bebe.
Bakit?
Green tree python.
Bawal.
Bawal mga itap.
Bakit?
Buhay pa ba? Okay. Sunbow. Kayan sunbow. Ano to? Ano yun? Butterfin striped ball python. Sugar leopard ball python.
Meron? Ayun, kita ko na yun.
Ayun, ano to?
Leopard ball.
Ba't nasaan?
Nandun siya sa ano?
Ito. Angel ball python. Si Angel.
Angel ball. Python?
Ay, gumagalaw yung isa.
So what?
Nagalaw ka.
Cave. Pinstripe. Ball python. Maga, wag mo itapi ah. Namumuga. Pag yan, ano. Dessert ghost ball python. Bawal lang may flash. Ba, ang laki oh. Maga, bebe, ang laki oh. Picture kayo, gusto niya?
Ayoko!
Diyan lang oh, sa tabi lang kayo. Opo kayo dyan, tayo. Andito kami ngayon sa may labas ng mall. Nang maway naantay namin ang mag-alas 7 para sa fireworks. Para kami ay makauwi na. Wala pa. Alas 7 din kasi pupunta dito yung bus namin. Dito lang kami, lobat na ako. Sana mabidyoan ko ang fireworks, guys. So, update ko na lang kayo, guys, pag nabidyoan ko yung fireworks. O pag nasa bahay na ako. So, see you guys. Bye. Ganda. Then guys, sinabot naman natin ng fireworks, hindi naman natin ang cellphone. So guys, dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang. Dito ko natatapos ng vlog ko. Thank you sa mga nanonood. Hanggang dito na lang guys.